This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable spoons, specifically these shovel spoons. They are a black and white flower pot shovel, and they're 5 inches in length. And these are perfect for pairing with flower pot dessert cups for a unique and adorable presentation of little mini desserts. Adding these little shovels to your sweets provides an adorable little twist on your service. They're made of a durable, strong plastic, and they're perfect for a variety of desserts like dirt puddings, trifles, parfaits, but even things like frozen treats. Think sundaes with fudge or frozen yogurt. They provide an attractive black and white design that is striking and bold, and they're great for themed events especially. So if you have a vegetable patch or garden theme to an upcoming baby shower or bridal shower, these can be a nice little added twist and provide that special little touch to things like apps and desserts. So these are great for bakeries, frozen yogurt and ice cream shops, patisseries, or especially for use at catered events like weddings and showers.